Hi friends, welcome back to the new session. In the previous session, we have discussed about the concept of motion and measurement. In this session, we will discuss about some of the bits related to motion and measurements. If you haven't watched my previous video, then go back and watch it. The link is given in the description below. Let us start the session. First question, when a body remains in one position for longer time, if a body is in one position remains, so that body is, first option is motion, wrong, and third option is linear, wrong, none of these, let us see, and the second option is a rest. So when a body remains in one position, so it is in rest state, so option 2 is correct. Next question, which of the following is a type of the motion? Which of the following is the type of the motion? So circular motion is one of the type of the motion, and periodic is also a type of the motion, and rectilinear is also a type of the motion. So these three options are correct. So all the above is the correct answer. So all the three are types of the motion. So circular, periodic and rectilinear. If you want to know what is the circular, periodic and rectilinear motion, then watch the previous video. In that I discussed about what is the circular and periodic and rectilinear with an examples. So the next question, which type of the motion of an object which moves in straight line? So let us take one block which is moving in the direction, this direction. So this is an base for this to move. So we have two wheels. So which of the type of the motion which moves in a straight path? So it is going, no, it is all this one is surface. So it is moving in the straight line. So it is known as rectilinear motion. So it is an rectilinear motion is the correct answer. Option 3 is correct. If it is going in a circular path, then it would be circular motion. If take one example, like one pendulum is fixed to a wall. So if we drag this pendulum and release it, then some of the positions are here and here. So it will periodically move. So this is an example for periodic motion. So here, which type of the motion object which moves in straight line is called as rectilinear motion. Next question, which type of motion of an object which moves at a fixed distance from the fixed point? As I said earlier, if we take the example of this pendulum, so it is when we take this pendulum to this side and let us release this, then it will, these are some positions where the pendulum will move. So at the fixed distance from the one fixed point, this one is the fixed point. So this is known as periodic motion. Going to the next question, which type of the motion repeats itself at a regular interval of the time? So regular interval of the time, it is periodic motion. Circular motion is wrong. It should be in circular form or a circumference of the circle. It moves like that. Rectilinear means straight line motion. So these two options are wrong, and periodic motion is the correct answer. Next question, what is the type of the motion in hand of a clock? In a hand of the clock, it will move in periodic motion. So option 2 is correct. Next question, let us go to the measurements and see what is this. Which of the following is not a unit of distance? So which of the following is not a unit of the distance? So meter is a unit of the distance. Feet is also a unit of the distance. Kilogram, no, wrong. Kilometer is also a unit of the distance. So kilogram is the measurement of weight. So the unit of kilogram weight units are kilogram. So option 3 is the correct answer. So here 1 meter equal to, let us see, in the previous session we have discussed the concept of the motion and measurement. In that we have discussed like 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters and 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters and goes on. So here he is asking about 1 meter equal to dash centimeters. So 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Option 3 is correct answer. Next question. Larger unit of length. Larger unit of the length is, so millimeter is 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 centimeter is greater than the millimeter. So these two options are got vanished, and here the kilometer is the right answer. So largest unit of the length is kilometer is the correct answer. Next question. The SI unit of the length. This one is very important bit. So it is asked in many of the competitive examinations. So the SI unit of length is meters. So option 1 is correct. All these food, Muti and none of these are wrong answer. So meter is the correct answer. Next one, which of the following is correct? So here, as I said, like 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. So he is asking about 1 meter equal to dash millimeter. So here 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeters. So he is asking about meters. Then 100 into 10 equal to 1000. So 1000 millimeters equal to 1 meter. So here in this option they have asked like 1 meter equal to 10 millimeters and 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeters. So option 2 is correct answer. Next question. So thank you so much friends for watching this. Please do like, share and comment. Thank you.